Hi guys, this is Rolf from Tesla Owners US, and today I will prove you that the promise is kept. The promise of service center not equal to profit center. So for a little
I pressed to say, I went and said.
So for a little incident what I had with my Model 3, somebody hit the bumper from the back and got a pretty good dent in it. And sure, as was a parking accident and nobody was responsible, actually the guy left and left me with the damage. So I had to find the solution for the repair. And I made a comparison of 3 companies. 1, bumper repair. 2, professional Tesla certified body shop. 3, Tesla itself. And you would be amazed what is coming out of that. Hi, this is Rolf. We are now back at New Image and we want to see with Trevor how one Model 3 already in repair or coming from repair probably. And that's here. So they're saying that they have the 16th car in repair. That's, I think that at Midnight Silver. Yeah, that is in repair. So the rear bumper bar got scratched. Now you can see what is behind the rear bumper. Right? From here underneath and here. Get a little bit closer. Then I requested a quote from a bumper spot repair. And that's any kind of a bumper service what you can get in town. And the spot repair, and they rather recommended to replace the entire bumper because the damage was too big for just a spot repair. And that's what I took into consideration by then asking for what the price of a bumper is. And the price of a bumper is $330. Okay, wonderful. We arrived. 2 cars to pick up, Roadster and Model 3. Hey, we are back and we have a new bumper now. And then for courtesy, Oscar is checking my tires. How much is it, Oscar?
Yeah, 4/32 here in the rear.
Yeah, can you tell it in millimeter as well? For the friends in Europe.
Millimeters?
Yes.
Yes. Do you mind if I go grab my other gauge?
Oh, yeah. Look it up on the other side. You don't have a double gauge where one side shows millimeter?
Yeah, no double gauge right now.
Okay.
Yeah, 4/32. So they're still good there.
Yeah. So and here is the new bumper. Look at this, guys. It comes painted from Tesla. And now everything is in place again. And then I have to apply a new foil. That comes later because the whole car is foiled, but the bumper is currently not. And I'll give you the invoice for that. So to comparison, I'm comparing Tesla service with a bumper already painted, coming from factory. Then a bumper repair company, which doing the same thing, bumper repairs. And the last one is a certified Tesla body shop. Show you what needed to be done on that car. And here is the bumper. And that was replaced. The whole bumper on the car. So I had multiple estimates from a bumper repair, from a certified Tesla body shop, and actually the most economic repair was replacing the whole bumper from Tesla. And Bill put me the foil on it, so the entire car is completely foiled again and it's ready to go. Owners US, this is Rolf, and we are here with Bill from Crystal Clear Detail, and he is the owner of a new shop, and there will be a great opening, a big opening on Saturday,
Yep.
right?
Saturday night.
From 4 to 8 o'clock.
Yep.
So we will be there, and I'm picking up. He did one of my Model 3s, so I'm picking up the Model 3, the bumper in the back, no clear brow on it. Yeah. So I had to do that, and I tell you the whole story about the bumper and why the bumper with a Tesla service is cheaper than anybody else.
True.
All right. Okay, then we see you on Saturday as well. If you come, the address is just Bill. What's the address?
It's 8643 West Kelton Lane, Suite 100 in Peoria.
Oh yeah.
And it's right behind all the dealerships on Bell Road.
Yeah. Okay, then see you there.
Sounds good.
I pressed and say